So we're back today with this guy. This car's having issues. Built motor, no problem with the motor at all. But he's always got something going on with his idle. Got a cold P0850 park neutral sensor. So let's see what's going on.
That's gotta be set 160 and it's doing.
Huh?
The temperature is low and it's doing it now.
Let's see what we find. Gotta move this oil catch can to get to this sensor. And from there, change it out and see if the problem continues. If so, set car on fire, push and ditch.
Man.
Found it?
No. Oh yeah.
Bro, look behind you on the table. It's a whole thing of sockets. They can still follow my way.
You want them safety glasses?
Yep.
Cause I did the same thing the other day. I didn't have one. Help me.
This out of the way.
Oh, you like how I zip tied this up here? It's a nice little table.
Where's that wrench?
Oh, right here.
Alright, let's make this work. It's tight.
Yeah. How much you think Mazda charge for that sensor?
Good. Who knows? Oh, we don't sell it separately. You gotta buy the whole transmission.
What the hell?
That's something the dealer would say.
It's not as bad as that time they had to give me my refund and a check and I had to wait for it to come in the mail.
Yes. Yes. A large. Yes. You can have wings. I don't want wings.
I can't hear you.
Well, that's your problem, not mine.
There's TV and baby, and all I hear is blah blah blah.
What do you mean all you hear is blah 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 blah? Then walk over here.
I can't. I have no shoes and have a baby.
That's a personal problem.
Do you want wigs?
No.
Come on, Fat Johnny. Come on, Big Johnny.
She got the washer on there.
Yep. And the other one.
Hopefully this is all of the problems.
I hope so. I really do. Get upset. You have no idea.
I always set it on fire.
Bruh. What would I be able to have to do after this if it's not this?
Troubleshoot. Get the big scanner out and see what you can see. Well, it could be the throttle body, like I said. But I doubt it. You got it tight?
Fine.
God damn it.
What you saying, water?
Yep.
Got you.
So it's your fault, Poncho.
That was my fault.
Should have told me not to sit there.
Bruh.
Hurry up, Pedro.
I think it's tight, but I can't, I can't confirm or deny that.
Are you the government now? You can't confirm or deny. Just, it is what it is.
Pretty much.
Oh, it's your car. So you'll confirm or deny on the side of 95.
Bruh. I got trouble.
That's fine. They can confirm or deny for you too. While they towing you home.